How to download audiobooks for offline listening. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download audiobooks for offline listening. So to download audiobooks for offline listening is very simple. First of all, open the Audible application just like I've done here, and then log in. Once you're logged in, and you're brought to the home page. Move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as home, library, discover, profile, and then click on the library option. This is because for you to want to download your audiobooks, you must have purchased the audiobooks already. So once you can see the book here, the next step is for you to download. And how do you do so? Move to the top to the right side of the book. Now, you have to locate the book that you like to download, all right? You can locate the book by clicking on all titles where you see the book located, okay? And then click on the three vertical dots on the book, and then a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you see options like title details, Richard Osman, download, share, work as finished, rate and review. Just go ahead and click on download and then continue, and then just wait patiently for the book to be downloaded, and then you can now listen to it offline. So this is how it works. This is how you can download audiobooks for offline listening very easily. So ensure you try it, okay? Thank you for watching.